It's been an amazing 4 weeks over here for us at Kaivalyadhama. It's a 100-year-old institution located in a beautiful place called Lonavala in India. The reason why I feel very energized is because I learned a lot, and we practiced and learned about the art and science of Ayurveda, an ancient science which I believe can have a huge impact on worldwide population's desire for wellness. We spent a lot of time on yoga, not just the physical part of the yoga, which we all over the world are used to with all the yoga institutes, and that's very good. That physical part is needed. But what is even needed more so is the vast body of knowledge and the science behind yoga and the impact it can have on the wellness and well-being on a permanent and long-term basis, spiritual, physical, mental, emotional well-being. So today the practice of yoga is very focused on the physical. So when we came here, we thought it would be pretty much physical, but we're absolutely blown away by the instructors, and particularly I would say Dr. Bhogal, who is the research scientist here. And there's so much of body of knowledge here at Kaivalyadhama, the kind of papers they publish, the kind of knowledge they have. And I'll tell you one thing, time has come when the world has to look forward and say, should we be investing in basic science research? And I would say absolutely yes, because this vast body of knowledge, what we are seeing today is just use of yoga for physical well-being. What is needed is to go into more depth and practice, and that's what Dr. Bhogal did with us. He basically introduced the vast knowledge, took us through how we can apply and really use yoga, the science of breathing, the science of well-being, and how to really meditate. Actually, I've realized for the first time that meditation is just a small little word. It really is about dhyan. And dhyan is far more profound. It is experiential. It is becoming aware with one's own breathing, one's own well-being, and it transcends, goes way beyond what we have learned in the Western world as meditation. So I would encourage, actually, I'm very encouraged, and I'm hoping I can come back again. We were here last year for 4 weeks, and having spent 4 weeks here has just been an exhilarating, spiritually gratifying, physically renovating oneself, our own internal selves, as Dr. Bhogal constantly reminds us. So thank you so much, Kaivalyadhama. We have really appreciated all that you've provided, the ambience, the ecosystem that you have with the students, with the college and the university setup that you have. It gives an amazing village kind of an experience, and yet an academic, the vitality that you see all around is amazing. Thank you so much.